Nailing the semi-formal look with jeans.
Hello and welcome, style enthusiasts. Today we're going to talk about an exciting topic: how to rock a semi-formal look with jeans. This is a bit of a style challenge, as jeans are typically considered casual wear, but with the right pair and the correct accessories, you can make this unique look work for you.
What is semi-formal attire?
Before we dive into how to incorporate jeans, let's clarify what semi-formal means. It's a dress code that falls between casual and formal. Typically, for men, it might mean a suit and tie, while for women, it could be a cocktail dress. However, we are aiming to bring a contemporary twist to this code by introducing jeans.
Choosing the right jeans.
The key to nailing this style is choosing the right pair of jeans. Avoid distressed or ripped styles, and instead go for a pair of dark, well-fitted jeans with a clean look. They should be tailored and stylish, ensuring they do not look out of place in a semi-formal setting.
Selecting the top.
After you've selected your jeans, it's time to choose a top that elevates your look. For men, consider a button-down shirt with a blazer or sports coat. For women, a silk blouse or trendy top paired with a structured blazer can provide a semi-formal feel.
Accessories and shoes.
The accessories you choose can make or break your outfit. Tasteful jewelry, a chic belt, or a sophisticated watch can add to the semi-formal vibe. Shoes should also be considered carefully. Opt for dress shoes for men and heels or dressy flats for women.
Final touches.
The final touches for your semi-formal jeans outfit involve attention to grooming and detail. Ensure your overall look is polished with well-groomed hair and appropriate makeup for women. There you have it. Navigating the semi-formal dress code with jeans doesn't have to be daunting. It's all about balance and attention to detail. By choosing the right jeans, pairing them with an elevated top, accessorizing appropriately, and paying attention to grooming, you can rock the semi-formal look with jeans. We hope this guide has been helpful and encourages you to try out this trendy, contemporary approach to semi-formal attire.